What's up, guys? I am all bundled up, and you know what that means. I've got some cleaning to do outside in the freezing cold. But hey, whatever it takes. This is what I'm working on today. A subframe, swing arm, and frame off an 03 CR250. This is before any cleaning has been done. And this is after a lot of scrubbing has been done. Keep watching if you want to see this transformation take place. I'm going to start with the funnest part first, the frame. I'll begin by hosing it down with degreaser. So I've got the spray bottle filled with Simple Green, and I'm just going to spray down the frame, let it soak, and then hose it off and start scrubbing. I've had the frame soaking for a good amount of time. Now I'm going to hose it off with just a garden hose. I normally would use a pressure washer for this, but good old winter destroyed my pressure washer. Now I'm going to give the frame a nice little scrub down with degreaser and a brush. This will be more of a general cleaning. I'll do the detail cleaning later on. At this point, the majority of the dirt and grease is off the frame. Now it's on to the little details. For this step, I'll be using the mag wheel cleaner along with a combination of these brushes. This is where the results really come in. I've found it's easiest to work in sections. I'll start at the head of the frame and the down tube, get that as best as I can, then move on to the cradle, do one spar, and then the other, and finish it off with the shock tower. Frame is looking pretty good. Now onto the best part of all, getting that shine and nice factory finish. And that's where the Scotch-Brite pad comes into play. This is what's gonna push your frame from just to everyone saying, holy shit. I'll show you what's up. All right, to get a super good finish, you're gonna wanna work with the Scotch-Brite pad in the same direction. Just like that. And you can fold it up to get in tighter areas as well. Stuff is pretty versatile. The frame is all finished up, and man, is this thing beautiful. If you guys want your frames to look like this, I got something for you. So click the first link down in the description to pick up one of these Scotch-Brite wheels. Trust me on this one. Best purchase you'll make in a while. And this is what I use to keep up on the 125 as well. A year and a half later after building this bike, and it still looks as good as ever. So you can use these wheels on anything aluminum, engine covers, Kickstarter, brake pedal, subframe, even the swing arm. The list goes on and on. Now let's hope I can get the subframe and swing arm looking just as good. So I'm gonna dunk these guys into the parts washing tank, and while they're soaking, I got a giveaway for you. I'll be giving away the clutch cover from the CR250. All you have to do to enter is write down in the comments below what pipe you think I should run on this bike. For these parts, I'm gonna scrub them down with a brush to get rid of the dirt and grease, and then I'll bust out the Scotch-Brite and Magwood cleaner to brighten them up. Pretty hard to get any closer to new than this right here. I cannot wait to start putting this bike back together. Hope you guys enjoy this one. It is always so much fun seeing the transformation these parts go through. I will see you all in the next video, and go do yourself a favor and pick up a Scotch-Brite wheel. You will not be disappointed one bit. Happy New Year, everyone.